If you want to move apps on iPhone from one screen to another screen, what you do is tap and hold the app until it starts to shake like this one. After that, you can tap and hold the app, and with the other finger you can swipe the screen and you can place where you want to place the app. So this is how you can easily move the application. Now the other thing is you can also move the app so that you can group the similar app together in a single folder. For example, if I want, I can just tap and hold until the app starts to shake, and then I can put it on the top of the other app with whom I want to group the app. Now you can see it is grouped under news, but if you want to change the name of the folder, you can open it, and after that you can tap on this cross icon, and if you want, you can give a name, for example social, and then done, and then tap on outside, and then done.